everyone, it's a quick video today. Just first, couple reminders. End of quarter is April 9th. I'm still accepting late work. If you're missing any work or if you turned it in late, please make sure that you're sending me an email letting me know that it's been turned in, just so that I can update PowerSchool. I won't update PowerSchool if you, I'm sorry, we have a little guest star here. I won't update PowerSchool unless you tell me that you have turned it in. I'm not going to be checking on PowerSchool. I'll be grading the next activity, and I won't check unless you tell me. So in order to get credit, please just let me know that you've submitted it. I'll let you know that I've received your email, and you should see PowerSchool update shortly thereafter. All right, so for today, we are starting on our essay. The essay will be due on Wednesday, that's April 8th. Okay, and again, it is not part of this first quarter, that grade. It'll probably take me a couple days to grade those. So you want to make sure that you're splitting this up, because obviously this is what we're working on today. It's also what we are working on next Monday. Okay, my timeline of how I would do this would be to complete the introduction, the first body and second body paragraph today, or by Monday, I should say. And then on Monday, you can complete with the third body paragraph and conclusion. Couple reminders, you'll see everything on assignments. I gave you some reference points for you to use, although certainly you can always reach out to me as well, and I'll be happy to answer questions for you. You want to make sure you're doing in-text citations in NLA format. I attached a reference to the assignment of a link explaining how to do that. I also put on a Word document specifically for you to type in. It's blank. It's supposed to be blank. You already know what the essay question, which was in the last assignment. Please use your outlines to complete your essay. So you know what the essay question is. It's supposed to be a blank document, and you can just write the essay there. And then I also attached a PDF of the rubric. It says that it's out of 100 points. It's not. It'll only be worth 50, so you just cut every point value in half, and that'll give you a general idea. But otherwise, it's typical essay instructions. Keep I think, my opinion is out of it. State everything like it's fact, like you've always done with any essay for social studies. And you can start to go through. Now, if you have interest, I'm happy to go through your essay because I created that blank document. I can see everybody's, even if you haven't submitted it, if you've been typing in that document. So if over the weekend you're like, I'm unsure of how this sounds and you want me to look over it, I'm more than happy to do so. Just shoot me an email asking me to do so, and I will get back to you with some advice. I also just want to remind you that I do have office hours on Friday from 9 to 11 a.m. I'll also stick in a Zoom conference. I know last week nobody jumped in, but I still want to offer that. If nobody shows up after 10 minutes, I'll probably just close it out again like I did last time. You don't have to. You don't feel that you absolutely have to carve out time on your Friday to talk with me, but I wanted you to have that option, and that's sometimes easier than emailing. So if you have any questions, please reach out. You can post on this post. You can email me. I check my email really, really frequently. Let me know if you need help. All right. Good luck.